Nomzamo Mbatha Biography, age, mother, sister, boyfriend and career. Nomzamo Mbatha Biography. Nomzamo Mbatha was born on 13th of July 1990 in KwaMashu. She is an actress and television personality. She first came to public attention as one of the 3 finalists in the 2012 MTV Base VJ Search. Nomzamo Mbatha education background. Undergraduate student at the University of Cape Town, bachelor's degree of commerce and accounting. She later left the University of Cape Town following her joining SUBCRIBE, and she is continuing her accounting studies at the University of South Africa, UNISA. Secondary school student at Bichet High School, primary school student at SUBCRIBE Primary School in KwaMashu. Nomzamo Mbatha career in media. In July 2012 she auditioned for MTV Base VJ Search, which was held at Cape Gate Shopping District, Cape Town in the Western Cape. She made it to the top 70 out of an estimated 600 hopefuls and later made it to the final 10, which later competed with the hopefuls from Cape Town and Johannesburg. In the end she made it to the final 3. In 2015 she began hosting a SUBCRIBE reality travel show, Holiday Swap. Nomzamo Mbatha acting career. She is a cast member of Mzansi Magic telenovela cast as Nkazunga, well-educated, modern city girl and the daughter of high-profile taxi boss, Xolani. In 2014, following the success and popularity of the telenovela, the show was converted by Mzansi Magic into a daily soap opera. In 2015 she was cast as a member of the romantic comedy, Tell Me Sweet Something. In March 2015 she starred as Mbatha on E.TV's original drama series, Umlilo. Nomzamo Mbatha age. She was born on 13th of July 1990. Nomzamo Mbatha mother. Mbatha's mother, Manatuku, is a teacher. The Sunday Sun ran a story about a woman named Elizabeth Mbatha, who claims to be her real mother. The star cleared the air in an Instagram post that read, "My mommy in the middle and my older sister at W.Mbatha." Sunday Sun ran a story again about a woman claiming to be my mother. Some low-bola nonsense and curses. Dry news week. This was our reaction last night. Nomzamo Mbatha sister. She lost her older sister in 2009. Nomzamo Mbatha boyfriend. She was romantically involved with 2012 Idol South Africa winner, KwaMashu. They late broke up on allegation of Nomzamo cheating, but she later brushed off the rumors, saying that all those stories were false and had been fabricated.